Happy day, children. How are you all? I hope everybody is safe. So in previous session, we have learned how to overcome stage fear. So now in this video, we are going to learn what are the tips to reduce the stage fear. So these are the elements of public speaking. So what you need. Okay. So first, you have to stop scaring about yourself with thoughts about what might go wrong, and refuse to think thoughts that create self-doubt and reduce the low confidence. The confidence level should be high. Learn to accept yourself, and not a feeling that you have to prove yourself to others is at the root of healing. So these are the elements of public speaking: the speaker, listener, and what message you are conveying to the listener, and what is a channel. Channel means you are receiving, and the feedback you are getting. So these are the steps to speak well. So what are the steps? First step is you have to have interest about the topic. So that is called as passion. And next one is you have to understand the purpose about the speech. Third one, you have to develop a clear outline. You have to open the comment to close remarks. You should be having a good body language, and you have to face the audience. A proper eye contact is very important for a stage speech. And in the middle of the speech, you can give good examples so that the audience will not feel bored. So here in the slide, it is the steps to conquer fear and anxiety. So the first one is you have to prepare well for the speech. You have to give a lot of time for preparation. Next is you have to practice well about the speech. Next is adopt positive attitude. The positiveness is very important. You have to feel the confidence about the topic which you are speaking before the audience. And fourth one is visualize success. So whenever you are giving a speech to the audience, you have to visualize or focus about the success. Give a power pose before the speech. That is, the body language is very important before the audience. So when you are conveying a speech or a message before the audience, you must think that they are friends with you. So you have to think of it as a conversation with friends. So before giving a speech to the audience, you have to take deep breath and pauses to achieve control and clarity, so that the speech will come very good. So when you are practicing for a good speech, so what are the things that you have to do before giving a speech? The first one, recreate the speech setting by practicing in the room where you will be speaking. That is, in front of the mirror, it will help. You can practice in the room about the topic whichever you are going to speak before the audience. Practice with an audience, even if it's not your target audience. So you can get the help of your family members the previous day of your speech, and imagine they are your audience, and you can give a practice speech. That will help you a lot. And third one is try different voices, gestures, and body language. Monotonic voice will not help. You have to have a different pictures when you deliver a speech, and body language is also very important, as I told you. Then time the delivery and take notes on the performance. So you have to determine the time which has to be given for the speech, and you have to well prepared for the notes on the performance. And when you are practicing, you can take an audio or video. That will help, and that will think about like where you are went wrong, and it will help for the next day speech. Next, you can seek feedback from others, and you can, for example, if you are going to give a speech next day, the previous day you can practice it at home, and you can get feedback from the audience, not exact audience, from the family members which you think as an audience. You can get feedback, and you can get the honest opinion which are received from them, and that will help you for the next day speech. The other points are, can always focus on your strength and ability to handle challenging situation. So you have to be focused only on strength. So give up trying to be so much perfect, and know that it is okay to make mistakes. Be natural and be yourself. So that will help you for the good stage delivery. Thank you, children.